Alright, so in the last video for my Laplace Transform to solve a second order differential equation, I was left with this. Well, not exactly this, but I've sort of added in a step here. Basically, we're taking the inverse Laplace of both sides. So x of t is equal to the inverse Laplace of all of this. But we're going to disregard that because obviously I have to do a lot of partial fraction decompositions here. I'm going to say s squared plus 2s plus 2 is equal to a s squared minus s plus 2. Sorry about my terrible. Everything of mine is terrible. bs plus c multiplied by s plus 1. So I'm going to let s equal minus 1. So 1 minus 2 plus 2 is equal to, I cancel out the 2's immediately. I just picked a clever value of s, by the way, then. A, and I know that b is going to cancel straight away. So, bs plus c, I mean. So, 1 plus 1 plus 2. So 1 is equal to a, as I know minus 1 squared here is 1, minus minus 1, so that's plus 1 again. So this is just a multiplied by 4, which means that a is equal to 1/4. And that's the easiest inverse Laplace on the planet. But anyway, what's another clever value I can pick? 1 minus 1, no, I can't do that. Alright, I'm going to let s equal the next easiest thing. I'm going to let s equal 0. So, 2 is equal to a, which is 1/4, multiplied by just 2, plus c, multiplied by 1. So 2 is equal to 1/4 multiplied by 2 is just going to be 1/2 plus c. So 2 minus 1/2 is equal to c. I just have to 1/4, yeah. And obviously 2 minus 1/2, you've multiplied top and bottom by 2. I knew this is going to be just 3/2. So c is equal to 3/2. That's interesting. Alright, so now the next easiest value of s I can pick is 1. Let s equal 1. And therefore that means that it's 1 plus 2 plus 2, that's 5. So 5 is equal to 1/4. 1 minus 1 plus 2, so that's 2. Plus b s, and bs is just 1, plus c, which is 3/2, multiplied by 2. Alright, so 5 is equal to, sorry, I'm talking like such a robot right now, so 1/2 plus 2b plus 3. So 2 is equal to 1/2 plus 2b. 2 minus 1/2 is the same as what we had last time. So 3/2 equals b times 2. So 3/4 equals b. Alright, let's just skip a lot of mumbo jumbo and get ready. So x of t is now equal to the inverse Laplace of 1/4 over s plus 1 plus the inverse Laplace of bs plus c. And b was just 3/4, s plus c 3/2 all over s squared minus s plus 2. Alright, so x of t, let's do the first inverse Laplace, that's just 1/4 e to the minus t, easy done. Now plus the inverse Laplace of 3/4. Alright, so I'm going to multiply top and bottom here by 2. I'm trying to do this quick. So this is going to be 3s plus 6 over 4 over s squared minus s plus 2. So x of t is equal to 1 over 4 e to the minus t plus 1 over 4 inverse Laplace 3s plus 6 over s squared minus 2. What's this? Minus 1, so minus s. Alright, what am I going to do there? I'm going to... Is this factorable? No, minus 1 over 2 squared is equal to 1 over 4. Alright, cool. That is now just going to be 3s plus 6 over s plus 1 half squared. I just have to double check that. Plus 2 minus 1/4. Alright. I'm going to finish off this video and I'm just going to double check my arithmetic there, and I'll see you in the third part of this video where I can compute this inverse Laplace that I have right here. Thanks for watching.